All right, y'all. So I've never came on here and like did a little short video of my stand, but I wanted to show y'all some of the details on it. So those are threaded knobs that he actually installed on here with the grooves in it, and that allows me to adjust it as needed, whether I needed to go back or forward. And y'all saw that little "I love you" handwritten note that he put on the back of it. And you see the hinges, like the hinges that you put on the door, he added those to it. And it's one full board, so it's not two boards glued together. It is actually one thick piece of board in the front where my wreaths hang on. And you see the little boat thing right there that he has the thread knob on. And it's actually one of those hanging hooks on the front where I hang it at. You see the top there? It's just one thick board. And it has the little feet at the bottom and the support in the middle right there. Yep. And that's the board, y'all.